Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So, some of you guys might be doing an internship in one of the VLSI companies, and now you have got to know that your full-time offer is not getting converted. That means you are not getting the PPO, right? So, in this situation, what you need to do? Because yesterday only I received a message from one of my students who is pursuing MTech from a tier 1 college, and currently he is pursuing currently he is doing his internship in one of the companies, and there he is not getting the PPO. So, he is confused what to do now. So let's divide the video in some parts. So first of all, I will be talking about those third year students. Like your third year is completed, now you are doing the internship and you will be getting into fourth year now. So you will be getting into final year of BTech, or you might be getting into final year of MTech. Like your first year of MTech is completed, now you are doing the internship. Once the internship gets over, you will get into the final year of MTech. So I'm talking about those guys who will be getting into final year of MTech, or who will be getting into final year of BTech. So you guys are not getting the PPO, but you are having placement opportunities, no? Campus placement is there for you, right? Some companies would be visiting the campus, you will be sitting in the campus placement as well. So that opportunity is there, right? I also fall in the same category. I did my internship after third year. 2 months internship I did not get the PPO. There was the chances of campus placement for me. Okay, so in between the internship only I got to know that I'm not getting the PPO here, right? So I started preparing for placements. The same thing I would recommend you, start preparing for placements, because the point is that the guy who is doing a decent internship, let's just say in campus placement, in the campus he did not get an internship opportunity, now he is doing some internship, some paid internship under some professor, or just a very decent internship he is doing, not a very, like, he doesn't need to put too much of hard work in that particular internship. So now what he is doing, he is investing 2-3 hours in the internship and he is preparing for placements, right? He is covering his fundamentals, he is revising his fundamentals, or he might be working on 1-2 minor projects as well. So he is ahead of you when it comes to campus placement. Although you are already doing an internship, you in your CV you will write down, I have done the internship in this company, that company. So it will make an impact, but again, fundamentally, the basic fundamentals, he is ahead of you. In those basic fundamentals, he is ahead of you because he is preparing for placements. But since you are working in the industry, since you are working in the VLSI industry, you are not getting time for placements, right? You are not getting time to prepare for campus placement. So if you are someone who knows that you are not getting the PPO, if you are someone who knows that I am not getting the PPO, then you should start preparing for campus placement. If you are someone who is currently pursuing internship, right, there are chances that, sir, I can get the PPO, then you should put effort in your internship. Right? Put your effort in the internship. But if you are someone who has got to know that, no, I am not getting the PPO, then what you do is that you start preparing for campus placement. In NITs, campus placement would start from August onwards, right? August, September, then the campus placement would start, right? And in IITs, the campus placement would start from December onwards. Now, let's just say, sir, I prepared for campus placement. In the campus placement as well, in the worst case, I did not get any opportunity. Then there would be the chances of GATE examination for you. If you are someone who is in BTech, right? If you are someone who is pursuing BTech third year, your BTech third year is completed, you did not get a PPO, then you set for campus placement. Worst case, we are taking no placement opportunity you got. But since you have prepared for VLSI, since you have prepared for your campus placement, you would have prepared at least network, analog, digital, these subjects you have prepared. No, somewhat signal system you have prepared, somewhat control system you have prepared. Aptitude is fine enough for you. Mathematics also you can prepare. So decent enough preparation is there. You can sit for GATE examination and you can do well. Surely under 500 you can target, because you are from tier 1 or tier 2 college. Because if you are doing an internship in the industry, that means you are already from tier 1 or tier 2 college. So under 500 rank you can surely target. For sure you can target. Okay, if you put decent enough of effort from now onwards till the January month, because in Feb there will be examination, so surely you can target. And before that there will be campus placement as well. So you focus on campus placement. August, September you give to campus placement. After that, if you are not getting the campus placement, if you are not getting any placement opportunity, then prepare well for GATE examination. You can surely target under 500 rank, and then you can secure a good seat in masters. And if your luck goes in a decent way, or if you are someone from electrical background, then you can get chances into the PSU as well. So this could be the plan for you, okay? That as of now, if you think not getting the PPO, prepare well for your placements. Placement doesn't work out, prepare well for GATE examination. Understandable? And let's just say, even in the worst case, GATE examination also doesn't go in the way, okay? Even GATE examination you have messed up. Then there will be BARC examination you can prepare for, BARC written test. After that you can do well in interviews. Because why you can do well in the interviews? Because you have already prepared for campus placement. So BARC you can prepare for, ISRO you can prepare for, something you can prepare, surely you can prepare. There would be good enough chances for you to do well in your life. It's not that it is not the end of the life. If you are not getting the PPO, doesn't mean it is the end of the life. It is just a phase. It is just a phase that you are not getting into that particular company. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Now someone would say that, sir, I am from IIT. I am from BTech IIT. I am pursuing my BTech in IIT. So, sir, for me, campus placement would start in December, right? But gate examination will be in Feb only. So, sir, I will not have good enough time. You are from IIT, no? Right? So, there would be good enough companies visiting your campus. In the worst to worst case, you might be getting something, right? Some 10 LPA job, 11 LPA job. In the worst to worst case, you can get something, right? If you keep on putting up the effort till December, let's just say today you go to know that you are not getting the PPO, and from this time onwards till December, if you put up the effort, if you prepare well for placements, then I am telling you something you will get, because plenty of the opportunities would be there. More than enough companies would be visiting your campus, so you can do well in your placements for sure. And let's just say in the worst case you did not get the PPO, then you might be having a decent CGPA. You can get into masters through your CFTI score. No, like there is a quota for CFTI student. You can pursue the masters in the same college, right, or in some other IITs as well. If you are having a CGPA above 8, or there would be some criteria. Without gate examination as well, you can get into IITs for your MTech if you are someone who is pursuing BTech from IIT. So if you are someone who is pursuing BTech from IIT, you do not need to worry. You would be getting some good placement. If you are not getting that, then without gate examination as well, you can get into some IIT for your MTech. Okay. Or if you have decent enough knowledge of your core subjects, then you can prepare for BARC ISRO examination as well. These examination also you can prepare for. Okay. So if you are someone from BTech IIT, I don't think you need to worry. You might be, only doubt would be that, sir, in December the placements would start, December month would go completely for placements, then sir, in January how would I prepare in 1 month for gate examination? So you wouldn't need to prepare for gate examination. This is what I am telling. Okay. Now who will be in the trouble? The guy whose 4th year is completed, right? The guy who is from 2026 batch. His BTech final year is completed or MTech final year is completed. Now he is pursuing his internship. He is doing his internship in some of the company, and now he is not getting the PPO. So for him there is no campus placement now, right? He has done his 4th year, BTech 4th year completed, MTech 2nd year completed, MTech final year completed, BTech final year completed. He is doing his internship. His PPO his placement was depending on his internship performance. He got 11 months internship, or some guys in the 4th year they would have got 6 months internship. So his PPO was depending on in that internship performance, that 6 month internship performance or 11 month internship performance. No matter how he performed, there was no vacancy in the company. Somehow he is not getting the PPO as of now. So for him there is no campus placement as of now. That's the condition, right? So what he can do now? As of now there is no campus placement, right? So you need to apply off campus. You have worked in the industry for 11 months or 6 months, right? You have decent enough knowledge that what you have worked on. Along with that, you have pursued your masters as well. Or if you are someone from BTech, you have pursued your BTech as well, right? So decent enough knowledge of the industry. Along with that, you have pursued your masters, and decent enough knowledge of the course subjects also you are having, right? So what you do is that you send a message to all the people, whatever the people you see on LinkedIn, just send a message that in the message what you will write down? You will write down about your degree, that this is what I have pursued, MTech in VLSI from NIT Warangal. This is just an example I am telling, and this is the project that you have worked on, and in there you have done your internship. Let's just say I have done my internship at AMD and I worked on this particular project. So this kind of message you will write down, and you will tell them that if there is some opportunity available, then please refer me. Whom you will message? The people who are having industrial experience of 2-3 years, like someone like Anish sir, right? I'm not saying that all of you guys should message Anish sir only. I'm just telling the example that he is working in the industry for last, it's been roughly around 3 years, right? So he is having industrial experience of 2-3 years. So you message those guys. You should not be messaging people having 10-11 years, because they will not see your message. Okay. If some guy is having industrial experience of 10-11 years, he will not be seeing your message. And if you are messaging fresher guys like who is joining now, or who is having an experience of 1 year only, then he might not be able to refer you, like he wouldn't be knowing much about the company itself. So you should be messaging those people who are having the industrial experience of 2-3 years in different companies. Just send the message request to everyone and just simply message them. This is what you can do. Secondly, you can go to the career pages of companies, right? Let's just say there is AMD, TI, Intel, all the companies would have a career page. There they would post the opening, so you can apply through that as well. And as of now, you are in the company only, no? As of now, you know that I'm not getting the PPO, but you are in the company, right? So there as well, you can make connections that you can let people know that you are not getting the PPO. If there is some opportunity, then they can refer you. You can mail them as well. Like what you do is that when you leave, the day you leave, what you can do, you can message your whole team, your whole group. You can message that this is what you worked on. You are not getting the PPO. If there is some opportunity for you, then they can refer you. Okay, you are eager to work here. You can use ChatGPT. You are smart enough, right? I don't need to tell you what exact words you will write down. So that particular thing you can do, right? Off campus, this is how you can apply. That's the sad reality. This is the only thing that is there in our hands, right? So this is how you can apply off campus. Secondly, you guys will prepare for GATE examination as well, whether you are from BTech 4th year or you are from MTech 2nd year. Okay, you are not getting the placement opportunity, you are not getting converted. Okay, as of now you are not having any job. You keep on applying for the jobs. You prepare your fundamentals. Let's just say you are in VLSI, so you will prepare your fundamentals for network, analog, digital, or somewhat signal system and somewhat control systems as well. So your basics are already decent enough. Along with that, you have done your masters as well, so you would have a decent enough knowledge of tools as well. So those things and all you are already having. Along with that, you will prepare for GATE examination as well. Because in the worst case, let's just say for 6 months, you started from today, right? Your BTech is already completed, your MTech is already completed, you started from today. Let's just say for the next 6 months, you did not get any opportunity. Worst case, I'm telling you, some opportunity you would get. It might not be a very high package, but some opportunity, something you will have for sure. I'm telling you. But in the worst case, let's just say you did not get anything, then at least you would have a security. Know that, sir, I will write down GATE examination and I will be able to do well. Through that GATE score, I can get into PSUs or anything, something I can get. Like if you are someone from BTech, you would have the confidence that I will get into masters, right? And if you are someone who has already pursued MTech, then I don't recommend doing dual MTech. A lot of people does it and they do well in their career as well. But from my side, I will not say that you have already pursued MTech, then you again do the MTech. That I will not recommend. But yeah, you can get some good opportunities, right? Like PSU opportunities you can get. If you are someone who feels like that, sir, I don't want to get into PSU, I want to stay in the VLSI industry only, then through the GATE score, you might not be getting through the GATE score, you might not be getting these industrial calls, but if you are having the GATE score, then you can apply it for BARC. You can get interview calls from BARC, and you can perform. If you perform well in BARC, then you can get the BARC opportunity. Or same goes with ISRO as well. So these BARC, ISRO, or some PSU examination you can prefer. Okay, as of now, this is the thing that we can do. I know this is a very heartbreaking situation. This is a very tough situation that, sir, I worked in the industry for 11 months and I am not getting the PPO. As of now, I am not having the job. Neither I am having the campus placement, sir. And then goes that my MTech is also completed. So, sir, BTech I did, then my MTech is also completed. As of now, sir, I did everything. I prepared for GATE examination. Then through the GATE score, I went into masters. Then I did the internship for 11 months. Then, sir, the condition as of now is that I am not having a campus placement. I am not having placement opportunities. I am not having any job. But BTech, MTech both are done. So what do I do? So this is what I told you, that you keep on applying off campus, keep on applying on LinkedIn or through career pages. Also, you would have made some connections in the industry. So through those connections also you can try applying. If nothing works out, GATE examination preparation should also go in hand. Okay. This scenario would be mostly applicable for an NIT student, right? If I'm saying you are doing 11 months internship, that means NITs would be allowing this particular internship. IITs don't allow it. So whatever the scenario that I'm telling for NIT students. So yeah, that's the scenario. I know that situation is tough for you, but this is what we can do. Along with that, GATE preparation also in hand we should keep on doing. So that through the GATE examination, if I am having a good GATE score, then something good I can get. Is that understandable to you? A lot of people do dual MTech, although I cannot recommend it, that you already have spent 2 years, you spend 2 more years. That is not recommended from my side. But through a good GATE score, some opportunity you might be getting, some opportunity, somewhere good you can land. Along with that, you will be start applying off campuses as well. And in off campus, I am telling you something you will get for sure. Something you will get. If you keep on applying 5-6 months, some opportunity you will get. Because you are having the industrial experience, you are having something in you. Are you able to understand this point? So this is what I would recommend. So yeah, best of luck. This is what I can say. And prepare well. I know it's a tough time, but for BTech third year and for MTech first year student, I would say you have the campus placement, you have the best possible opportunity, utilize that. And if your BTech is completed, if your MTech is completed, then I would say that yeah, I know it is actually a very tough time for you. For BTech students whose BTech is completed, you can surely think of GATE examination. Along with that, you can keep on applying off campus. For MTech students, GATE examination will be the second priority. Your first priority would be applying off campus, and surely something good you can get off campus for sure. Okay. And if it doesn't work out in the worst possible case, again we will appear for GATE, and through the GATE score something good we can do. Okay then, yeah, thank you very much. Happy learning.